Hi students, this is the video taken in order to help you regarding the submission of weekend task 3. So I hope everyone have received in your classroom the weekend task and you have checked different options that I have given under the questions. I am just in processing only the numbered questions as how to submit the answers for only numbered questions. Treat it as a file that I have written as a part of answer for the given questions of 1 to 3. Suppose this is the file that I have answered by writing in a book or paper and I have taken screenshot of it. Then I need to save that file or rename that file if it is already saved with the topic name underscore question number underscore your roll number. Here I have treated my roll number as 123 and click on OK button. Then you share this file corresponding to the question. You need to use only your college email in order to send the file. So in subject you can write anything. I wrote my name and I send the file. So in my Gmail I will check for it and I will just open that file and I will be saving this file to the drive where I have taken the document title with the file name and my account is college mail ID and I have considered the folder. So SC assign. So in order to create the folder, I will be telling the steps, just watch it. In the top right corner, you have to click on new folder and you can rename or you can create another name for that folder, SC task. And click on create. Now you choose select option. Here the folder name has changed to SC task. So click on save. If the network is good, then your file will be uploaded in your drive. Just check it whether it is uploaded or not by entering in the search. I just clicked on it, but the file doesn't appear because the network is slow. Again I will select the add button, upload and select the file. And due to low network connectivity, the file is not uploaded. For that reason, you need to wait for some time. As it's still processing, I am showing you from another file as how to share. So for that reason, I am considering some other file. This file has opened, so treat this as your answered file and the options are click on three icons on the top right corner, click on share. Actually you will find the option here as restricted, only people added can open. When you are about to share the file, then you need to click on viewer. Then it will update the file. If you click on that file, then you will observe the options here. You need to click on this link. Then viewer is highlighted. It means The file link is given only to view for others. Then you click on copy link. The link will be copied to clipboard. Then you can share the file with the link. So come to your form where you need to give the answer. Just in the place of answer you can paste the link. So the drive is giving permission for others, whoever are watching this form, in order to have an idea over the task. So likewise you need to do for other first question and also for the third question that I have given. Similar way you need to create 3 files, and for every file you need to do the same process. I hope everyone got it. If any problem occurs, you watch again this video slowly, and I am sending you the steps also. Please watch them in your classroom. Thank you.